All right, guys, so we are back doing the PPF again. And last week, we just finished doing the top bumper and the whole rest of the bumper. So this is how it looks like. It actually looks pretty good, but we had some imperfection. So this is where we kind of like messed up on right here. Just a few over here. And this piece right there, that's the passenger side. And then on the driver's side, I mean, everything looks good all here, but we did kind of messed up here, there, and this part here, and some parts here. But other than that, from far away, I think we did a good job. So now we are going to work on the hood. And if we have time, we're gonna work on our front side fenders. So we'll see. We got our Dawn and water spray all set, and she's now spraying the hood. So we could clean it. Look at this. Look how nice and clean our hood is for the PPF. Wow, it actually became nice and shiny, and making sure there is no dirt for the PPF. Checking.
Yeah.
Is there dirt? Is there dirt?
I'm checking.
Just checking. Okay, well, it looks, I could see my almost my reflection from here. So after unrolling the roll, here is the hood PPF. Not sure if y'all could see it, but here it is right there. And we are going to unpeel it or peel it off. No.
We learned from our mistake. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it just to make sure there's no other PPF here. We're gonna cut it where it needs to be cut, so we can spray the solution on top of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we just finished cutting the PPF roll, and here is our hood PPF right here. We're now using the shampoo solution, and we're now spraying it on the hood, all over the hood.
Yeah, all over.
She's now peeling it off, and she's going to spray it with what's that, water alcohol?
No.
Baby shampoo. The water baby shampoo. There you go. She's spraying it right there, peeling it off. So the sticky side is gonna go on top.
Can you
right?
please hold it?
All right. So the sticky side is going to go on top of the hood, right?
Yeah, that's where you're going to stick it.
Stick it there. Okay. So we just finished applying the PPF on top of our hood, and right now we are doing our best to align it so that each side is the same side, and also too on the top. Right, so we are going to start here in the edge, and we are squeegeeing it and doing our best to remove the bubbles and also the creases too. We're working on this corner on the driver's side. We are now working in the bottom edge, going up the edges and doing our best to remove the bubbles and creases.
Yeah, I'll go in the other side.
Okay, other side now. When you're doing the squeegee, you have to do it in a 45 degree angle.
Yeah. I don't know how the 45-degree going,
But we are just
trying our best.
Yup. And so far, it's looking good. Unlike the edges here, but we're learning. And the most important part is, as long as it is protecting your paint's vehicle. So me and Francis are now working both sides now to finish this off.
Trying our best to go fast.
I know.
As fast as we can.
So there you go, squeezing in the bubbles. I'm also squeezing in the bubbles, going in a 45-degree way. Oh, there you go. The bubbles are going away now. We're already here in the middle. And so far, so good. Getting closer and closer with the bubbles and the creases. We're on the passenger side, and I'm just helping out with the bubbles and creases. And see how it's like slowly going away. But it's stubborn though, but
Yeah.
you just gotta keep on doing it. So we're now using the heat gun, and we don't want to go too close now.
All right. Looks like it's now sticking.
Yeah.
Just the edges.
We actually had to like peel some off because it was what do you call that?
It's creasing.
Yeah, it was creasing up.
Yeah. And then we were also using our alcohol water solution to help with the adhesive activation on it. And we still have a few more edges to go. So, yeah.
But it looks like it's working.
Yeah.
It's already been, wow, like 30 minutes already. And we only have a few creases or bubbles or things that is just lifting up, because later we're going to pop our hood and curve it in or tuck it in. So we still just have a few more right here. And me and her are actually working left and right.
Yeah.
So this is the passenger side. Passenger side looks already nice. And we're just a few more wrinkles. Is that what you call it? Or
Yeah.
right there. So yeah, we're almost done.
Now I need to go back in the front.
Okay, so now the front. So we are doing our best to remove these like bubble creases.
Yeah, the long one and
The
big
long one, yeah. So for us to remove it, we kind of found a technique.
Yeah.
So what she does is, she sprays it with the.
No, I would squeegee it first until I see that there's no creasing here.
Okay.
And
as long as
then-
there's no creasing.
Yeah, and then once I'm down enough, and we're gonna apply heat just a little bit, just to activate. There you go. And then now on the bottom part, since I can spray now with the alcohol solution, I'm just gonna spray a little bit just to activate the rest of the adhesive. And
There
then
you go.
there. So basically the crease now is smaller.
Yeah, look, it's gone.
Yeah.
No bubbles too. Our largest crease bubble here.
Yeah.
And it's really stubborn.
I know,
Doesn't
it's
wanna.
in the front too.
It's in the front middle. So we are going to take care of this. Okay, so we are going to spray with alcohol, with the water and alcohol solution, because whatever she tried to press down, the crease and bubbles is still there. So there you go. We're trying to remove it or squeegee it, removing the air and the water.
We're gonna do section by section
Yep.
since this is a little stubborn.
Yeah. Wow, that took us a minute to
Yeah.
remove that giant crease.
Crease.
So all we did was we just sprayed, squeegee it, and then heat it until the.
Yeah, and we also try to lift it up just a little bit up to the last edge of this crease, so it kind of like stretch out and will mold it on its own.
Yep.
But
Okay.
that was a lot of patience.
Yeah, that took like 15 minutes just for this section right
I
here.
know.
So we are now curving the edges as well.
So look
Yeah,
at
that
this.
part right here. We're curving it right now, and we are starting here in the passenger side. So far, this is how it looks like. Wow. We have learned a lot from our previous work in the front bumper. The front bumper is really hard. We should have just saved that for last. We're using the heat gun again, and we are heating up the edges. So after using the heat gun and some towels, we finish curving the top side of the hood. We're just working just some parts of the, oh, you could barely see it from here. Oh, there, like that bubble right there. But if that bubble doesn't leave, we'll probably just give it a few days, and I'm sure that's gonna evaporate somehow. We're going to start here in the driver's side, and as you guys can see, we popped the hood. So these are the remaining PPF that we need to curve. We are almost done curving in the PPF, and wow, this is how it looks like. You can't even tell that there is a PPF here. So look how nice and smooth that is. Finally finished. Wow, this actually no, it didn't take us that long. It took us about like 3 hours. 3.5 hours. And wow, there you go. There is just a few minor bubbles right there. Where else?
We'll let the nature cure it.
Yeah.
Some here too.
There you go. And where else? I'm now here in the passenger side. Oh, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Damn, that's it. Wow. We did a great job
We did.
doing the hood.
I think we're getting better at it.
Yeah, we're getting used to it, and the style and the process. It's kind of tricky, but I guess once you get the hang of it, there you go. We are finished with 40% of the Corolla. So we got the front bumper and that part and the hood. So next will now be the fenders, but we're not going to do that today. That's going to be a whole separate video, because that's going to be challenging, but the way how the edges are. So yeah, that's going to be in a separate video. This is how it looks like 2 days after. And a lot of the bubbles cleared up already, and just like you could barely tell. Yeah, there. So there's that, and then there's that, and where else? Yeah, I think that's it. So, oh wait, I think I still see just a few there. So that's that for 2 days. Okay. All right, guys. So we're back here at Great Maple in Fashion Island, and we got the Moroccan iced tea. This is really good, and we got 2 buttermilk pancakes. This is already our second time ordering this, and wow, this is so good. Okay, let's do this. So just a little bit more right here. There's just some like air bubbles right there, and we are now just working on the middle